The project management is a life skill, irrespective of your whether you are tech, you are there in tech industry, non-tech industry, manufacturing, or you are an entrepreneur, or you are a owner of a small or medium-sized businesses. How it will going to work is the project management will going to address your what part, like what you would like to do. And the second is by detailing out the minute information and mapping them on the activities with the timelines, it is going to address your how part, how you are going to do and by when. And the third is by doing this, all the detailing out, you will get a precise answer for the why part, why you are doing it. That's how a project management plays a vital role, and it is significantly appreciated across the globe. Hi, this is Manjunat, a program manager putting 2 decades of experience in elite multinationals and delivered high impact projects. So I am here to help you out irrespective of whichever the area you are there into by organizing your all the activities in the form of detailed checklist with the start date, end date, and which and predecessor successors that what and all need to be put over there, along with putting a baseline for it, so that you will exactly have a measure that whenever you really start executing, you will be there in control and you will have a detailed roadmap. So, guys, project management is all about an executional excellence where actually the rubber meet roads. If you vibrate with this, please do click the link below and get into my webinar, and I'll be more than happy to help you, handhold you until you reach there. Thank you.